Alright, doing a quick video here of the modifications on the 2010 Kawasaki KLX 250 SF. It's more like an F now. It has been rejetted. It has dyno jet stage 1 jet kit. It's actually really easy for you out there wondering. You do have to do some drilling. If you're not comfortable with that, just have your nearest dealer. I'm sure they'll do it for you. But then I threw on a slip-on FMF power core 4. If you guys are wondering, yes, it's pretty loud. Well, I think it's better than the Q4. I mean, this sounds better. Go ahead and start it up and let's hear it and hit the rev limiter a couple times.